So currently we have started with our preparation for the mains examination that will be held on 20th of September. That will start on 20th of September. So giving ourselves 10 days, like we cannot fall ill first of all during this time, and giving ourselves 10 days of like cushion. We have 60 days now from July. In July month we have 20 days, in August we have 30 days, and in September we have 10 days. Considering the cushion of 10 days. Now, we were late because we got ill and whatnot. But nevertheless, um, for the next 60 days, we'll be dividing our entire plan into 15 days, like four modules of 15 days. And we'll be in the first 10 days or so. That is July to August. This first 10 days will be trying to cover GS 1 to 3, for which will be following MGP of 23, GSAP of 23, MGP of the current one, and AWFG tests. We have missed quite a lot of tests over here, around 5 tests because of lack of good health and whatnot. And then for ethics, we'll be considering our notes and the red book, and we'll be doing it along with MGP, and we'll also be seeing Topos copy. We'll be seeing topic copies here as well, like this will be supplemented, like MGP and GSAP of 23 will be supplemented with topic copy from year 2022. And for ethics, we'll be doing our notes and books, MGP and Topos copy, of course. And for philosophy, we'll be considering the PYQs and Topos copies initially, and then we'll be attempting the tests, and we'll be then refining all these materials using our notes. So only 3 materials are to be considered over here, which are PYQs, tests, and notes with topic copies. Then for essays, we have not exactly formulated a plan for this, but what we'll be doing is, as and when some material comes to us, we'll consider that. But right now, what we'll do is just analyze the Topos copy and try to write 1 or 2 tests of essays in the meantime. Now for language paper, I have no idea. We'll be deferring this matter to the second module of 15 days, that is towards the end of July month. Now the SOP will be to summarize all the notes, first summary, then the second summary, and the third summary should be around 30 pages for each of the papers. Now for AWFG, 10 hours has to be devoted for 7 questions. So these 10 hours will be going as like 5 plus 5 hours, 2 days, like 5 on the day of test and 5 just before the day of the test. So 5 plus 5 hours for 7 questions. This will be our SOP. And for the spread of our preparation, what we'll do is, for the first 15 days for GS, paper 1 to 3 will be considering GSAP and AWFG, and this will continue till the next 15 days, like both the modules of 15 days for GS will be considering GSAP and AWFG, and in the next 15 days of August we'll be making our first notes, and then in the next 15 days we'll be making our second set of summary, that is note 2, and finally we should have like 30 pages that we'll be considering just before the examination, like which would comprise of fact sheets worth of, like a fact sheet which will be 10 pages long, not more than that. And for philosophy, we'll be following the same SOP, that is we'll be doing the PYQs, like writing all the PYQs, we'll be supplementing it with the lectures and the materials that we have, and we'll be testing ourselves. So the initial 30 days, what we have to do is, we only have to read and test, and then in the next 50, like this 30 days is supposed to create enough material so that we can have something to work upon for the next 15 days, whereby we will be making notes and will be attempting MGP's full length tests over here. This should be sectional. AWFG will be going on, so this is where we'll be starting our MGP for this year, and this is where we'll be starting for our tests. So considering that the day today is what, 11th of July, so 15 days from here will be 26th of July. So that'll be our queue for attempting tests. Like now here on we'll be getting inputs, and then this input will go on for like 30 days, and by here we should have enough corrections and improvements that towards the end of August and September, start of September, we should be in a state of attempting the papers, the open tests that will be here, that will be conducted all India. Now essays will be, we, for a lack of strategy or a course, will be considering only the toppers copies, and then we'll figure out the rest of the things from here. For ethics, first thing first, we'll do the lectures, revise the notes and topper copies, and then we'll be attempting all the questions that we have right now. And for language, that is Hindi and English, we don't really have a plan for it. We'll figure it out. For the first 15 days, I have no idea how to do it right now. And to be honest, like in my previous video, I was really confused. I didn't know. I was terrified. I still have no idea, but I have a very faint picture. Like, this is the belief part of the thing. It goes like belief, work, actualize. So first was fear, then was belief, then is going to be the working part, working like toiling part. So we are moving from belief to toiling, and after toiling for like, let's say 15 days, we'll get foreign set of eyes, like foreign set of eyes, proper foreign set of eyes through the help of MGPs and the test series, and we'll start improving. Like we'll have what, 15 days over here and 15 days over here. So 45 days in total we'll have to correct ourselves, like properly correct ourselves, and that'll be it. I'm really really scared, terrified, and all we can do is move forward. So I'm moving forward. This is the video. Like, you can sense the fear in my voice. You know, I am about to cry. I am about to burst out, but I cannot, because we have a lot of work to do. Like 60. Fuck, man. I have like 64 into 7. My goodness. I should get to work. So that's that.